Okay, we just looked through the instruction for the wood turning machine over here. So now I will try to assemble this wood turning machine. Okay. I guess I have all my small parts over here. Yeah. So we start with the connection pieces in here. We take out it. Put it on the bottom of the headstock. Like this. And make sure there's no distance between each pieces. Now this is wrong, so I have to spin it. Okay, then I'll put it on the bat, machine bat over here. Then we use the screwdriver to make it tight and stable. Yeah, it's tight now. And then the tailstock as well. Take out a connection piece over here. Bottom. This as well. Yeah, screwdriver. Now the slider as well. Connection pieces again. Slider. Put it in front of it here. And then putting the back side of the bat. Put it in. Oh, wrong side. Yep. Like this. And then we use the screwdriver to stable it. Yeah. And then we take out these two plates. And for times 8, we need 8 of them. Take out this 8 of screws, and for times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Yeah, that's 8 of them. And then we take out this 2-hole slot nut. We need 4 of them. Then we aim at this 2 part, put a 2-hole slot nut on it, and then put a screw on it, spin it. down part as well. The screw in it. I put this plate in front of the stock. Yeah, here. Stuck it in. Like this. Then we use a tool over here. This one to make it tight. Now it's pretty stable. Here as well. See 2 holes nut. Same step. Use this one, this tool, to stable it. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now we take out the central driver, the lock nut. Where is it? Yeah, over here. This one, the lock nut. And this one. And then we take out all the collect set over here, because as you can see, we have to find out the most suitable collect set for this central driver. Now we have to look for this. Yeah, I guess this one is okay for, because you can just put it in. Let's try this one to find the most suitable one. Yeah, I guess this one. This one, yeah. And I'll put it in here. Try to spin it. Use this one to stable it. Yeah, I guess it's tight enough. Yeah, this is good. And then we take out this one. This one. Yeah. We stuck it in the cow sock. Turn it. Until we can't turn anymore. Then we take out this one, just to stable it right here. This one. The 1 hole nuts. Then we take out screw off. Where is it? And 4x8, this screw. Do the same step. Take out this one and I'll put it in the middle of it. And take out the slot nut. Stuck it in over here. And then spin it. And I'm stuck it in over here. It's a little bit naughty. Yeah, it's in. We'll use the screwdriver, make it tight. And then we'll take out the wood. and the central ruler, and a pen. Any color, up to you. We draw a cross over here, like this. Cross. Because we have to find the central point. Here's the central point. On the other side as well. It's better to use a pencil. Yeah. Central point, you plug it over here. And then you stuck it in. The central point here. And why is it not fitting in? That's weird. Look at the instruction tab. Oh, that's why. Oh, I have to move backward. This tailstock to front. Okay, now I have to just off all to make it not tight again. Oh, this is bad. It's like repeating all the steps. Here as well. Okay. Now we tie it again. I guess it's good right now. Try again. Yeah. Make sure it aims to the central point of the loop. Both sides. Yeah. And make sure this part up here stuck in the end of the seam and have to be tight. Where's the, yeah, here we go. I think it's not tight enough. Yeah. Make sure it's tight enough. And then here as well. Take out this one. Yeah, I guess it's tight enough. Okay. Let's try. Take out the stick. This one. That the wood turns. Okay. Wait, this is blinking up and down. This may not be right. I guess it's not aiming to the center point. Okay. Now just solve it. Ouch. Yeah, it's not aiming to the central point. Okay. Be careful right now. Do it nice and slicely. Okay. Seems good right now. Okay, it looks better. Right. Okay, as you can see, the wood is absolutely different right now. I've done a lot from it by using this machine and the stick.